Ciao Tesla people, today a new accessory from Teslaunch or Teslaunch.net. I have a discount code Ciao Tesla for 10% off, and this is the product are the seals for the Frunk, so the front Frunk cold water seal, and this basically they are the idea that I did for the mod, but this right now is a product. So there are two types of seal. One right here on top of the filters from the windshield, and the other ones on the sides. Okay, so I'm going to install it both. I have it here. Okay, I think it should be pretty easy. The only thing that you need the most likely is a screwdriver for bending the seal. I'm going to show you, and there are different for different cars too. So pretty cool to see a mod that I did actually being a product. So let's go in Frunk and we'll do the installation. Okay. So let's move it here. I'm going to put the seals here. And I'll put you right here, and this should be good. Okay, so basically what I did, I put this mod here and then underneath, but the seal goes on top right here and then on the sides. So we'll do, I think this one is the big one. It's the one that goes on top. So let's see how it goes. So this is the stronger one, and if you see, it has it seals right here, and it goes on top, right there. Okay, so it's going to be more involved. So I removed the cover of the filters, and this seal goes on top of here. Okay, on the edge, with this part on let's say the outside, on top of it. Okay, so let's try to put it in. Now it's not going to be straightforward because it's a seal, so it needs to be keeping a good seal on the edge. So you need to put a bit of pressure and some force. Okay. Yeah, very good. Good. Very nice. Okay, it's doing well. Okay, I'm going to put it closer. Okay, nice, like that. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Okay. I mean, it's easy to put it in, but it needs a bit of effort because you need to make sure that the seal goes. I mean, it's making a good seal, right? That's the whole point. Here on the edge is a bit tricky, and that's it. Did it go in? Okay, yeah. Okay, here. It's okay. Let's check it out. Looks good to me. Okay, let me show you a second. You see? So it goes on the edge, all the way. I'm going to leave it this one. Yeah, why not? But this is going to be very good. I'm going to place it a bit more. Yeah, here you see, the seal goes inside. It has like a metal liner here, so that when you put in, it gets fit inside the edge. Very good. Okay, let me put you back here. Let me just continue, and then we'll do the side ones. Nice. Okay, so there it is. Nice. You just need to push it a little bit in, and that's it. Let me do it the other side here. You can feel it when it's inside completely, because that metal takes over. That's it. Very good. Let's see how it goes. You see? This all the way. Very cool. Now let's do the edge. And then we'll put this on top. Yeah. Okay, let me put it on the side, this guy. Okay, so let's do the edge. And the edge there's a double tape, and it goes right on the sides here. Just the tool that you need is a scissor, just to cut it to measure. So let me remove the double tape, which is always tricky. Cool, got it. And you'll put it on the side right here. Let me show you. Right there. Okay, on the side. Very cool. This is easy. I mean, very cool. It touches very easily. Let me show you from here so you can see. Right on the side. You get to the edge here, down here, and you are gonna cut it to right here. Okay, so I'm going to cut it right there. Okay, moving this red thing, and then very cool, very good, nice. I mean, this is pretty easy. So this one then will take shape in time. Okay, so let's do the other side. Right there. I'm going to put you right there. Okay. So let's do this side. Again, double side right tape. Always a pain in this. Nice. Okay. And we'll put on the edge, touching the bottom, and that's it. I mean, these are pretty easy to put, but very effective, so that you don't get any water inside the frunk. Now you might, when you take out this and this, you might need to play around with this seal, but you know, it's very easy to do. And let me show you again. Super easy here. You get to the edge and then you cut it right there. And that's it. You have more to do, so you can keep this. Maybe you find some other places where to put it, but it's very straightforward. Like this. You have a good seal here. Yep. And now let's put back the cover for the filters up there. Okay, very good. And there is only one thing left to do, which is put it underneath the actual seal that they have right there. There it is. And very cool. Very nice. So the Tesla seal in the back, it doesn't cover everything. Yep. Very cool. And that's it. Very nice. I mean, it was a bit more involved, but it works pretty well. Now I'm going to close it. All this part, water comes in, is sealed, so you shouldn't see any more water coming inside the frunk. I would see a bit of water dribbling right here, so now there shouldn't be any. Very cool. So very easy install, very practical, and it's funny that my mod now is a product. You know, my mod was a bit DIY, so this is more professional. The sealing here is much better and much thicker, so it should work pretty well. Anyway, I'm going to leave the link in the description, discount code for 10% off Ciao Tesla from Teslaunch.net, and check it out. Please leave a comment on this if you are planning to buy it and share how you install it. You know, there are some things you might do it differently, but it's pretty easy, straightforward to do it. This one is a bit of effort because there is the metal, but it's okay. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, comment, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.